In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Password and Security. Then select Face Unlock, enter your screen lock and tap on Enroll Face. Now wait 5 seconds to choose Start. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then pick one of those options, hit Done, and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!